In the heart of academia, where ideas intersect and knowledge blooms, one mathematician stands at the forefront of discovery. Her name is Maryna Viazovska, a new spark in the world of pure mathematics.
As a mathematician, I would like to speak about a future of mathematics. Geometry is difficult. The work of the sphere packing. The sphere packing problem started as a very applied scientific problem.
Maryna Viazovska was born in Kiev, Ukraine on 2nd July 1984. She grew up in a supportive family that encouraged her curiosity. Even as a child, she showed a strong interest in patterns and numbers. Maryna's passion for mathematics led her on an academic journey fueled by a desire for knowledge. After completing her undergraduate studies at Taras Shevchenko National University of Kiev, she pursued further education that positioned her as a leading figure in mathematics. Maryna's brilliance wasn't just about intelligence. She had a unique combination of intuition, creativity, and analytical skills that set her apart in her field. In 2016, Maryna made a significant breakthrough by solving the problem of sphere packing in 8 and 24 dimensions. This problem had puzzled mathematicians for centuries. Maryna's solution was ingenious. It changed our understanding of how spheres can be arranged in space and opened doors for new research.
So sphere packing, it's a very natural geometric problem. You have a big box and you have an infinite collection of equal balls, and you're trying to put as many balls into the box as you can. Legend is that people were interested in is how many cannonballs can they pack into the ship. So the answer for the cannonballs is, as you see in a supermarket, the oranges stacked in this pyramidal shape. So essentially this is the best possible packing. But now we could also go to other dimensions. And maybe here it's time to explain what are other dimensions. If we are on a plane, we would need only 2 coordinates to describe every point. And on a line we need 1 number. But if we are moving in a 3-dimensional space, we need 3 coordinates to describe every point, like GPS coordinates. But as mathematicians, we can go farther. Nothing stops us for introducing 1 more coordinate or 24 different coordinates. For many years, people thought about the sphere packing problem and developed many methods how to address it. Either you have to construct some object which is optimal, or you have to show that nothing better can be done. So in each dimension they found some bound. However, in dimensions 8 and 24, the bound came very, very close to the actual density of known packings. E8 packing in dimension 8 and Leech lattice in dimension 24. So they realized there exists this magic function which is supposed to actually prove the optimality of packing. My contribution was to give an explicit formula for the magic function.
Maryna's contributions to mathematics have been widely recognized. She has received numerous awards, including the Fields Medal, which is the highest honor in mathematics. Maryna Viazovska's story is one of perseverance, passion, and intellectual achievement. Her journey inspires future generations to unlock the mysteries of the universe with the power of mathematics.